Hello everyone! Today we're going to address a problem with which quite a few of our viewers have been struggling: screen flickering on a desktop computer. Let's troubleshoot this problem and hopefully solve it for good. If you're experiencing some issues, the problem could potentially be an outdated display driver. It's critical to ensure your driver is up to date for optimal device performance. To update your graphics card driver, find and open the Device Manager from the System Tools in your Windows taskbar. Once the Device Manager is open, search for the Display Adapters tab within the list of devices and click to expand the list. In this expanded list, look for your graphics card. The nomenclature of this may vary depending on your device's model, but it should be easy enough to find. When you have located your graphics card, right-click on it to bring up a contextual menu. From this menu, select the Update Driver option. Then click Search automatically for drivers. If the system indicates the best drivers for your device are already installed, then simply select Windows Update. Then the update process may take up to 5 to 10 minutes. Remember, keeping your graphics card driver updated can quickly solve many of the problems you may be experiencing. Therefore, ensuring regular updates is key to the best user experience. Now, let's consider touching upon another potential factor: the refresh rate. Here are the steps you should follow. Right-click on your desktop and choose the Display Settings option. Once you're in the Settings section, find and click on Advanced Display Settings. Here you'll find a refresh rate drop-down menu. Try selecting a different refresh rate that's supported by your monitor. When you find that the flickering issue remains unresolved, make sure to revert back to the original refresh rate. Next, we're going to close any background apps that might cause conflicts. Some programs can consume excessive resources, potentially leading to screen flickering. To launch Task Manager, press the Ctrl+Shift+Escape keys together. This handy shortcut saves you time and immediately brings up the Task Manager window. Once the Task Manager window is open, browse through all the running applications and identify any that you're not currently using. To close these applications, simply right-click on the applications icon on the taskbar and select Close or End Task. This process will stop these applications from consuming your system's resources, which could potentially resolve the flickering issue. Be sure to keep an eye on your screen to see if the flickering has stopped. Now, if possible, try connecting your computer to a different monitor. If the flickering stops on a different monitor, then the issue might reside with your original monitor. If you are not comfortable performing these troubleshooting steps on your own, it would be advisable to seek assistance from a professional technician. Don't forget, at Tekswipe, we also offer affordable remote IT support services. Visit us at tekswipe.com.au/IT or email us at it@tekswipe.com.au for more information. We hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.